Do you keep a journal that cannot access online? Do you intend to publish your journal article and have it cited worldwide? Hi, welcome to my channel. I'm Webstink. Please kindly help me following on my social media, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube. Okay, let's go back to the original question. Do you have a journal that you like to cite it online but don't have any publishing tools? Before we begin, I'd like to give you an overview of the journal management system and why do we need to make our publication available online. This is due to the ability of the open source solution and managing publishing scholarly journals as well as highly flexible editor-operated journal management and publishing system, both of which are available online. It is intended to reduce the amount of time, energy spent on clerical and managerial activities related to journal editing while enhancing record keeping and editorial operation efficiency. Finally, it seeks to improve the intellectual and public quality that journal publishing through a record number of enhancements ranging from more transparent journal policy to better index. Here are the internet publishing services that you need to know about the online services. First is the PKP Public Knowledge Project. It's a multi-university initiative to conduct research to improve the quality and rates of scholarly publishing. Second is the AMRA. It is licensed under MIT license. And third is Open Edition. It's a portal of electronic resources in the humanities and social sciences. Fourth is the GMS, a multi-journal environment portal. And fifth is the UV Journal. Its purpose to facilitate the speedy publication of the international open access journal. All the tools you will need to get started creating online, some are also available as a software that you can install on your own server. Ambra is built on Wombat, Rhino, and Content Repo. It is our Spring Web MVC application. Anotum, publishing platform based on WordPress. Diva is a portal finding tool for research publication and student thesis written. eJournal, it is a module from Drupal. OpenECS is a toolkit building scalable community-oriented web application. Open Journal System, it's an open source software application for managing and publishing scholarly journals. GMS, a script designed and developed with latest code igniter version. And lastly is WordPress, building on responsive journal publication scholarly system. One of my recommendations as a GMS developer is the Open Journal System, which is straightforward to set up and maintain and provides outstanding customer care and geared to our journal needs. It is because of this system background that they have journal and website management and publishing system, flexible and scalable, and also supports the principle of extending access. With the management structure like the editorial process and editorial rules, the editorial process is moved to submission to journal through 5 steps in the editorial process and is managed by one or more editors. And also in the editorial rules, assign rule tasks in journal management like journal manager. This is it. Start your journal publication system today and you'll be acknowledged worldwide. Keep your journal online and do not allow to sleep on the bookshelf. See you next week.